Dollarweed, also known as pennywort, is a warm-season perennial weed that's common in the warmer or coastal regions of the United States. Not only does this weed reproduce with seeds, but it also spreads underground with rhizomes, making physical removal difficult. Once dollarweed has established itself, it can spread to overtake entire lawns, so in this video, we'll show you how to identify and get rid of dollarweed in your turf so your lawn can remain lush and weed-free. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about dollarweed, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Dollarweed, or pennywort, is a low-growing weed forming mats between 1.5 and 3 inches tall and grows in bunches. The leaves look similar to miniature lily pads, grow parallel to the soil, and they grow about 1 to 2 inches in diameter. Dollarweed can easily be confused for another similar plant, Dichondra. Both plants are perennials that grow mats of leaves, however, there are ways to tell the two apart. First, note the leaf shapes. Dollarweed leaves are glossy and rounded, almost like a silver dollar. Dichondra leaves feature a cusp and are more kidney-shaped. Second, note where the stem meets the rest of the leaf. In dollarweed, the stem meets the leaf at the center of the leaf. In Dichondra, the stem meets the leaf at the edge of the leaf inside of the cusp. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Dollarweed, or pennywort, is a warm-season perennial that flowers in the summer. The weed thrives in shaded, moist areas of the lawn, so inspect the parts of your lawn that are exceptionally shaded during the day, like against the foundation or underneath tree shade. Once dollarweed has been established, it can spread to areas where the turf is weak or thin. Eventually, it can overtake the native turf, so it's important to treat this weed as soon as you spot it. Be on the lookout for mats of the weed's flat leaves. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of dollarweed, you'll need to use post-emergent herbicides like TopShot or Fahrenheit. TopShot is a liquid herbicide concentrate that can control many broadleaf weeds. This product is labeled for both warm and cool season grasses and is suitable for residential lawns. Fahrenheit is a water-soluble granule that offers more variety to control grassy and broadleaf weeds. This product can be used to treat acres of land for labeled weeds, as well as applied as a spot treatment for individual weeds. Fahrenheit is also only labeled to be used on certain warm-season grasses, so only use Fahrenheit if you know your grass is a warm-season grass. We recommend you apply either herbicide as a spot application with a hand pump sprayer, since you can use it to make spot applications quick and easy. TopShot comes in two 1.8 milliliter ampules that can each cover up to 2,500 square feet. To mix TopShot, just squeeze 1 ampule of product into your sprayer and fill the tank to the 1 gallon line. Close the sprayer and shake to ensure an even distribution. Pump the sprayer a few times to produce a low pressure spray. Fahrenheit is another post-emergent herbicide that comes in the form of water-soluble granules. However, this herbicide is labeled for use only in warm season grasses such as St. Augustine grass, centipede grass, and Bermuda grass. As it's labeled for warm season grasses, don't use Fahrenheit on any cool season grass like tall fescue or Kentucky bluegrass. To make a spot application with Fahrenheit, you'll use a rate of 0.2 ounces of product per 1 gallon of solution. Use the supplied measuring cup to get the proper amount of Fahrenheit. Just screw the cup over the bottle, flip, and shake until you have the correct amount. Weighing is required for more precise measurements. To mix, add half the water into the pump sprayer, add your measured amount of product, then add the remaining half of the water and close the sprayer. Shake the sprayer to agitate and pump to produce a low pressure spray. Lightly spray your herbicide solution where dollarweed is established. Use a fine spray with a fan nozzle setting to get an even coating. Spray on a calm day to avoid drift, and be careful not to over-apply your product. Dollarweed is a persistent and enduring weed thanks to its underground rhizomes. You'll need to make several follow-up applications of your herbicide solution regardless of which product you used. If you use TopShot, make reapplications once every 7 to 10 days until the weed dies completely. Fahrenheit is a stronger product, so you'll only need to make reapplications once every 4 to 6 weeks. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen. The best way to keep dollarweed from growing in your lawn is by maintaining proper lawn health. By strengthening your turf grass and keeping up with maintenance, you'll choke out the weeds and give them little opportunity to grow. Since dollarweed thrives in area with high moisture, your first step is to improve your lawn's air circulation and water evaporation. Rake and dethatch your lawn to improve aeration and encourage proper water retention. Trim back any overhanging tree branches to reduce shade and increase evaporation rates. Be sure to mow your lawn to the proper height and adjust your mower so that your grass will come out 3 to 4 inches tall. Tall grass encourages deeper root growth and prevents weeds from receiving some much needed sunlight. In addition to improving your lawn's water retention, you'll also need to water it properly. Your lawn will need 1 to 1.5 inches of water every week, including rainfall. Water your lawn once a week in the morning rather than a little every day. If there's rain in the week's forecast, you can go ahead and let Mother Nature do the work. Finally, keep up with a proper fertilizing schedule. By keeping nitrogen levels stable and laying fertilizers high in potassium, you'll maintain strong turf grass and suppress other weeds from growing. Dollarweed is difficult to get rid of once it's been established, but there are ways to control a weed invasion that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop dollarweed from growing in your lawn, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.